guys, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. Okay, so we are going to make a crown for dolls. So we will be needing a beads. I've chose this kind of crystallized bead, and we're gonna need a thin wire, and we will be needing a glue gun for the beads. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, and we are already done. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. You can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time to our next video. Bye!